Everyone is asking me about the ASUS ROG Strix G16, so let's settle it right now. Now, this thing is a beast of a laptop, and I'm not just talking about its looks, although, man, that 360 degrees RGB light bar is giving me life. But seriously, when you put it to use, you'll see what I mean. First off, let's talk about the stuff that matters most. Performance, display, and cooling. This thing is like a rocket ship on wheels, with the power of an absolute powerhouse processor powering through every task. You won't find yourself waiting for apps to load or feeling like your computer can't keep up with the latest games. This one's got it in spades. And then there's the display. Buttery smooth visuals that'll make you forget you're even looking at a laptop screen. I mean, who needs to see individual pixels when you've got a frame rate of 165 Hz? You can play games all day without feeling fatigued, or create content with precision and accuracy. But let's talk about where this thing really shines. Gaming. Imagine yourself in the middle of an epic Fortnite battle, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU handling everything with ease. The ROG Strix G16 takes the hit, never losing its cool, no pun intended, delivering silky smooth visuals that'll make you feel like a pro. And that cooling system? Well, let me tell you, it's a thing of beauty. I've seen this laptop run nonstop for hours without even breaking a sweat, thanks to our OG intelligent cooling. It's like having your own personal HVAC system, minus the air conditioning bill. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat things. There is one major drawback. The keyboard can be a bit hit or miss in terms of backlighting. Sometimes it syncs perfectly with other peripherals, while at others it feels off. But for me, that's a minor complaint compared to the sheer amount of awesomeness this laptop brings to the table. Verdict? If you're serious about getting your gaming or content creation fix, look no further than the ASUS ROG Strix G16. Trust me when I say this thing delivers. If you're a casual user who doesn't care about serious performance, stick with something simpler. You won't need all the bells and whistles this thing has to offer. Grab it through the link below. Appreciate you watching.